This is a great all-purpose vegan cheese sauce that can be used for mac and cheese or modified into Alfredo sauce or nacho sauce. It's extremely simple and only takes less than 10 minutes. Let's get started on the ingredients. You'll need 2 teaspoons of lemon juice or vinegar, 1 can of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk removed from the same can, 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add the coconut milk into a pot, along with the nutritional yeast, the garlic powder, the salt, and the turmeric powder. Whisk until it's well combined, and remove all the lumps from the coconut milk. Set the stove to medium high heat. While waiting for the mixture to heat up, combine the 2 tablespoons removed from the coconut milk with the tapioca starch. Mix into a slurry. Give the mixture on the stove another good mix. Pour in the coconut milk and tapioca mixture into the pot and give it a good whisk again. Soon you'll see that the mixture will be nice and thick. Then add in your lemon juice or vinegar and give it another good mix. Pour over pasta noodles to make a quick mac and cheese. Here I used a gluten-free pasta. What would you do with this decadent cheese mixture? Comment below. Enjoy and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.